All right, let's break down the real difference between a regular hybrid and a plug-in hybrid.
A lot of people, including Cheryl, are asking this exact question, so let's get you a clear answer. Honestly, it all comes down to one simple thing: the plug. That's the key.
A standard hybrid, or HEV, is self-charging. You literally never, ever have to plug it in. A plug-in, or PHEV, has a bigger battery that, you guessed it, you plug in to charge. So to recap, self-charging versus plugging in, a smaller battery versus a much larger one. And here's the big promise of that PHEV, an all-electric commute thanks to that bigger battery. Most new plug-in hybrids can go somewhere between 25 and 50 miles on pure electricity. For a lot of people, that covers their entire daily drive, meaning potentially zero gas used. And look at the numbers. When you plug it in regularly, a PHEV can save you big time. But here's the million-dollar question. What if you don't plug it in? Or can't? You'd think it just acts like a regular hybrid, right? Well, not exactly. There's a catch. Basically, that big uncharged battery just becomes dead weight that you're hauling around for nothing. So you're carrying extra weight, often getting worse mileage, and losing the main benefit you paid for? So how do you choose? It really just depends on your daily routine and charging access. A standard hybrid is perfect if you can't easily charge or just want simple, no-fuss fuel savings. But a plug-in is a game changer if you can charge it every day and have a shorter commute. In the end, it's not really about the car. It's about your life. So, which one fits?